If you're a dog parent, you already know that dogs bring endless love and joy into your lives. Happiness for dogs is not just about toys or treats. It's about emotional connection, physical health, and mental stimulation. By understanding what makes them feel secure and loved, you can give them the happiest life possible. Dogs are social animals. They crave attention and love being around their humans. Even 10 minutes of undistracted playtime or gentle petting can boost your dog's happiness. Try activities your dog enjoys like fetch, tug-of-war, or simply sitting together. The more quality time you spend together, the stronger your bond becomes. Interactive puzzle toys and scent-based games also provide great mental challenges. A shuffle puzzle toy provides dogs with the mental stimulation they need to flourish. It keeps them engaged and focused, encouraging problem-solving and curiosity. By challenging their minds in a fun way, this toy helps reduce stress and promote a happier, healthier life. Just like people, dogs need regular exercise to stay healthy and happy. Daily walks, runs, or play sessions help release energy and prevent boredom-related behaviors like chewing or barking. Adjust activity levels based on your dog breed and age. A border collie will need more exercise than a bulldog. A tired dog is a happy dog, and regular movement also supports heart health and mental well-being. Never underestimate the power of affection. Dogs thrive on love and positive reinforcement. Praise them for good behavior, give gentle belly rubs, cuddles, and speak in a calm, happy tone. When your dog feels safe and loved, they'll be more confident and joyful every day. A happy dog starts with a healthy bowl. Choose high-quality food that matches your dog age, breed, and energy needs. The right nutrition fuels playtime, good moods, and overall well-being. Establish a consistent daily routine for meals, walks, and sleep. Dogs thrive on predictability. It helps them feel safe, calm, and confident. Make sure your dog has a clean, cozy, and safe space to rest and relax. Provide a soft bed and a quiet area away from loud noises. A comfortable environment helps your dog feel calm, secure, and truly at home. Regular vet visits help your dog stay healthy and catch any problems early. Checkups can detect hidden health problems that might cause pain or discomfort. A pain-free, healthy dog experiences less stress and enjoys a better quality of life, leading to greater happiness. By following these steps with love and care, you will give your dog a life full of joy, health, and happiness.